All right. So, how's everybody doing? For the 219 subscribers I have, how about it? It's 10 minutes till midnight. As you see, my midnight looking friend here, Barry. And we're gonna go try to annihilate some pigs. As you can see, I got pigs coming at all sorts of times of the day. Same little sounder, but they just pick and choose when they want to show up. But we got a full moon out tonight. I got 100 pounds of corn on the ground. I think
the thermal going.
Yeah, he's got the super duper power rifle with the thermal optic. He was telling me that it records their hearts and vitals and it turns red, and I don't know. So if we
Hopefully
shoot one,
we get some good video.
Yeah, if you shoot one, you're gonna see it.
Oh yeah.
If you got them in your sights, pluck them off, baby, because more will show up.
It's gonna be a good time, man.
So we're gonna get it done. We are gonna go black. So everything from here on out will probably just be sound and thermal stuff if anything happens. If not, then you're just gonna see us right back in the truck and heading home at 2 in the morning. Yep. So anyways, Bravo 6 going dark.
Going dark.
This whole entire thing was covered in corn. So we're gonna get in that stand and get settled.
There's another one.
He comes across.
I hear him walking away. See him streaming.
Definitely dying, I think.
Where's the other one?
came out here to put pigs down and you shot at least 3.
Bro, he was, it looks like they were passing through. They weren't stopping.
No, they stopped. They stopped right on the corner.
Okay, because it looked like they were about to stop, and I was like, man, I got to take one. Because,
No, you're good. You're good.
bro, where's that other one at, bro? We got to get the other one. Oh, man. Well, I know we got one dead pig over there, so we're about to go pick her up. But hopefully we got 2 more.
That's right.
Hopefully we definitely have 1 more.
So look, what we're going to do is we're going to get to where you shot him.
Yeah.
And we're going to trail the blood. We know where our dead pig is, but we're going to trail that one too.
Mm-hmm.
We know there's one possibly over to the left, so let's go try and trail this one.
Make sure I'm not able to see shit anyway.
1 second. So, look at your corn here. So they came in. They came in here. Let's just see if we can tell. How f*** you blast them. There is blood this way. Why are you so nervous?
Hey, bro. Because I shot a little baby pig, and I'm hoping I got the big pig.
Let's go see if you shot that big one then.
I shot the big one in the face, too. I'm about to find out right now. Exploded.
Got him? Put it in.
I don't think that was a pig, though. Oh, it's a pig. Oh, yeah, it's a pig. He's doing the dirt twerk. 2 shots, both of them smacked him. Bro, I can't take much more of this. Getting way too excited out here, man. Jesus, bro. We're over here tracking blood, looking for the other pig I shot in the face. We start hearing something in the bushes. We stop. Steve with his expert level. Dude, I mean, I don't even know what you want me to say right now, bro.
Let's go see him.
Let's go get him.
Let's go see him. Come on.
See if I could get him on the third one. We might have moved too close. He's over here somewhere. Where is it? Where'd he go?
Wow. Barry. Barry. Barry.
Bro, you asked if it was an armadillo, and I said, bro, it's an armadillo.
I never asked you if it was an armadillo.
I gotta get the out of here, bro.
You need to get out of here. Oh my god.
Bro. Get that thing off me, bro.
Alright, let's go pack up your other pig and get out of here. Great shot. Absolute great shot.